Alright, I'm back. I got a little duct tape here. Let's tape the mushroom on this antenna and see if that does it. Oh, I can hear it just by touching it. Ay, ay, ay. You know, I should have just waited till the other one went. Anyway, we're doing good. Let's check this out again. Where's my tapper? Ah, there's still something else. We gotta go back to the back. Let's see. How can we do this? It's inside there. Well, we fixed one little rattle. Until next time, I guess. What else do I got to show you? Again, like I said, I made in this today. I put a blue receiver holder in there. That's only temporary. I made another one. Where is it? In my pocket, maybe? Let me see. Here it is right here. I made another one today, and this one's going to incorporate the buzzer. See how the buzzer's sitting right there? See that? Well, I drew up a new one really quick where I'm going to glue the buzzer into here. It'll be in the same spot. Receiver holder in the same spot, except the buzzer gets stuck into there. Very cool. Meanwhile, while you were gone, I finished my XT60 holder and soldered it directly to the PDB board. This is soldered directly to the PDB board. I installed a programmable LED. I might want to put a little epoxy on there and maybe darken it out, you know. Maybe I'll take a magic marker, I'll tape over the LED and I'll black out the rest of that. What else? Yeah, so I'm waiting on my VTX and then we're good to go, but I've been flying it. I put 4 packs through it today with these props, and it is awesome. Simply amazing. 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 I want to get an Impulse 5-inch, the Impulse RC 5-inch, and build one of those and play with it. But this thing, Shen drones, Mitsuku 5-inch, awesome. Awesome. I'm building some feet for it, and see, I made a little drawing right there of the feet. So I'm building some feet for it, and then I can get a little crazy, but it's glorious. I love it. All right, what else? Oh, those tweaker mounts. Here's my tweaker mounts. one for the 200 milliwatt, and one for the 600 milliwatt. I want to say Boss Cam. I think these are Boss Cam. I'm almost sure they're Boss Cam. So check them out. What else? Oh, I got this going on. My battery and my Mobius kicked the dust. So I picked up another battery and I'm going to swap it out. It's a little smaller. I think it's the same size. No, this is a 300. This is a 350. This one's done. So I'm going to swap that out to get the thing working again, and we'll be golden. What else do I got? I want to show you one more thing. That's on the bench. Check this one out. Check this out. Are you ready for this? I'm not exactly totally 100% sure what board this is, but I'm guessing it's the DOF 10 Flip 32 version 2.3 OEM ready to fly RTF. That's what I assume it means. It's got all the pins in it and everything. Bing bang boom. There it is. Barometer, magnetometer, and I picked up this Lemon RX receiver. This is how it comes. No pins. Got me? Lemon RX receiver, Flip 32. RC channel 1, voltage ground. On here, bind, throttle, channel 1, voltage ground. Got me? Alright, here we go. The bind plug is on the end. Oops, you can't put the bind plug in. You gotta leave that one out. You skip the bind plug. Check that puppy out. Talk about compact. Imagine if you had one where you were putting your own pins in. Now they run the pins straight up the side, which wouldn't work. But this works perfect. And you can still bind up. You use a jumper to bind. You only bind once anyway. And use a little spacer behind there to hold it up so you can do your soldering. Solder that puppy right to that. That's what I'm going to do with this. I'll show you it. But that's what I'm going to do. Solder that thing right to there. And I'm going to put it in this thing. I think I'm going to put it in this thing. No PDB, I'm going old school. I just printed this off on the 3D printer. It's very, very nice. It turned out really nice. This is an 1804 2400 kV motors. 1804 2400 kV motors. Granted, we're not going to use these props. These are so flimsy though, I was thinking of cutting them down to 3-inch. But no, we're going to get props for it. So this whole thing is going to pop right in there, like that. And we're going to go old school PDB. We're going to take all the ESC leads into an XT30. And that's going to be it. What do you think? Not bad? Look at that thing. Indoor flyer? Let me flip it over. The bottom's not good because that's where it glued to the bed. I mean, it's a great print. It just glue all over it. See that? Got my wrap for the battery. What do you think? Maybe an 800 mAh 3 cell or 800 mAh 2 cell? I'm not sure. I'll let you know when we get to it. But this, I know there's a lot of other boards like this. Not those new nays that you have to solder on the side, but that's a great stackable piece right there. Too bad it didn't go the other way around, where it was facing up. Right? Now that would have been something if it was facing up. But it won't work that way. It has to go facing down with the bind plug off the end, just like that. And I know you can solder it. Hell, you could push it all the way down and cut all those pins if you wanted. I wouldn't recommend pushing it all the way down. Maybe leave, what could you put between there? Some Tapcon tape. You get it. You get it. See it right there? You get it. You could still get all your motor leads on. You got your buzzer and your V-bat right there. Maybe someday I'll show you how to pull all of these out. It's a lot easier than it looks. Alright, until next time.